How to earn money from BIGO Live. Most people download BIGO Live and use this app to watch live streaming and make new friends. Meanwhile, some use it to showcase their talents and earn money. Earning money online may sound easy, but it's not. The same applies for BIGO Live too. This post will provide you with all the information that is needed to make money by BIGO Live. Let's see how one can earn money through BIGO Live and how to encash it. Part 1. Work as a host, recruiter to earn money from BIGO Live. Bored of your 9-to-5 corporate job? BIGO Live gets you an exciting offer to make money by showcasing your talent to a global audience. If you are an entertainer and love interacting with people through your talent, then BIGO Live is for you. You can work on BIGO Live as host or recruiter. Host will do mobile live broadcast, and after achieving monthly target, then host will paid salary. Salary is based on factors such as content, followers, and time spent broadcasting. If you want work as recruiter, you can recruit host and earn a decent commission. Part 2. Earn money from BIGO Live by encashing virtual gifts. Another way of earning money is through encashing the virtual gifts. If you are a popular streamer, the followers will send you virtual gifts. Then, you can stock up these gifts that can be transformed into beans. The more popular you are, the more beans you will earn. Finally, these beans can be encashed for real money, which the app deposits in your account. The current bean exchange rate is 210 beans for US $1. Make sure that you are showcasing some of your talents, and this will ensure that you have a lot of viewers, which is quite important to earn money. Part 3. Tips to get more followers and more money on BIGO Live. Till now, we have discussed how you can earn money from BIGO Live. And, you may have found that followers are the foundation of making money. Then, how you can attract more followers. These tips and tricks provided below may help you. Go live regularly. If you want gifts, you need to go live often. And stay live for longer than a few minutes. I see lots of new broadcasters going live 5 to 10 times for only 1 to 3 minutes each. How are viewers and potential bosses supposed to find your broadcasts if you pop up and disappear every few minutes? Show something special, do something different that will separate you from other streamers. People are always open to something new, and your live video will start getting more viewers. Focus on the viewers, not the gifts. There's a list of reasons why viewers send gifts. Absent from that list, because the broadcaster kept asking for diamonds. Don't be thirsty for gifts. Talk to your viewers. Answer their questions, the appropriate ones. Ask them questions. When you engage your audience, they will want to support you. Using good quality phone. Make sure that you are using a good quality phone. If your live video quality is not clear, then you can expect a drop of followers. Additionally, pay attention to audio quality, especially if you are streaming music. Support other broadcasters. Find other successful broadcasters that you like and follow them. Be active in their broadcasts. Get to know them. Some of them will follow you back and return the love when you go live. Schedule and promote your broadcast. The more viewers you can get on board ahead of time, the better. If you've got some good content to share with the world, let them know when to expect it. Additionally, you can send out promotional materials on your social profiles.